Yes students, now we are going to study case 2. Take out your book, open page number 303. Let's study work example 4, which is for case 2 when you are given 3 sides of the triangle. Let us study the problem. Construct triangle PQR such that PQ is equals to this, PR is equals to this and QR is equals to this. So the construction steps remains the same. Construction steps remain the same and all the questions and all the questions which are done like work example 4. Let's start the construction. For that we are going to draw the line of 10.5 centimeter as we are given PQ 10.5 centimeter. Let 10.5 centimeter is our base of the triangle. So we have drawn the line of 10.5 centimeter here. This is 10.5 centimeter line PQ. Now we are given two sides PR and QR. So I will take the compass and I will open the compass of radius QR. It's 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter. So for QR I am going to open the compass of radius 9.5 centimeter and putting the arc here 9.5 centimeter. Right, now our next arc will be of measurement PR is equals to 8.5 centimeter. So I will open my compass of 8.5 centimeter, cutting the previous arc here at point R. So this is our point R and we are going to join QR and PR, and we will also write the given measurement here. So dear students, this is our required triangle. Let's see what is our next task. Measure and write down the size of the angle facing the longest side. See here, this is 9.5 centimeter, this is 8.5 centimeter and this is 10.5 centimeter. So which one is the longest? 10.5 centimeter is the longest and longest side is facing angle R. So they are asking to measure the angle R. So now we are going to measure angle R. I have put my protector with this on the center arc. See here, this is approximately 70 or 71 degree. Since the pencil is little thick, so this is 71 degree. We have done our next task. Now see what is the next. Construct the angle bisector of QPR. Now we have to draw the angle bisector QPR such that it cuts QR. First of all let's draw the angle bisector. See here, we are going to draw the angle bisector of P. So open your compass of the suitable radius and put the arc on PQ and PR. Let this arc is H and this is K. Now with the H, with the same radius, with the center H, we are putting another arc here, and with the center K I am cutting the previous arc 3 is here. So this is our point N. Now I am going to join the line like this. So let this is our point N and where and the point where the angle bisector cuts QR is point T. Yes students, so here our bisection is also complete. and according to the given, T is the point which is a point of intersection of the bisector on P, on R and Q. So our another task is to measure the length of Q and T. QT. So the measurement of QT is 5.5 centimeter. So this is what our given task, and we have finished. Never forget to read out the steps of construction which are very necessary to write. Whatever steps you follow, write down that steps on the same time. Okay. Yes students, we are going to study now practice now 4. Here we are given the case to construct triangle PQR such that PQ is this, PR is this and QR is this. Means we are given 3 sides. This is case 2. We are also given other 2 parts of the same question. We will discuss later on. Let's do the first task, which is what? The construction of the triangle when you are given 3 sides. Here's my paper, ruler and my pencil. The first we will draw the base of the triangle. It's PQ 8.4 centimeter. 8.4 centimeter. 8.4 centimeter, and this is my P and Q. Now the next is PR and QR. This is what the sides. For that I am going to take my compass and open my compass of the length of the radius 9.8 centimeter. I have opened my compass of radius 9 centimeter. With the center Q, I have to draw QR now. So with the center Q, I have to put an arc of 9.8 centimeter. Okay. Now what is the next measurement? It's for PR is equals to 7.2 centimeter. I am going to open my compass of 7.2 centimeter radius. Start. Friends, with the center P, I am going to pen another arc of radius 7.2 centimeter here. So this is my point T. I am going to join T to P. It's R. I am going to join R with P and with P. Oh my god. And Q. Use sharp pencil while construction. This is also sharp. Okay. Dear students, here our construction is completed. Now see the first part. Measure and write down the size of the angle facing the longest side. See here, this is 8.4 centimeter, this is 9.8 centimeter, and this is 7.2 centimeter. So which is the longest side? 9.8 centimeter is the longest side, right? So we have to measure this angle because this angle is facing the longest side. Put your protractor with the center P. Now see, it's about 75 or 76, approximately this is 76 degree. This is 76 degree. Construct the angle bisector QPR. We have to draw the angle bisector QPR. So open your compass of suitable radius and with the center P, put the arc on both the arms of the angle. With the same radius, put another arc. This is my point. This is my point. uh, this is point U, this is V. With the same radius of the circle with the center V, I am going to put the another arc here with the center U. With the same radius, I am cutting the previous arc at point O. Now I am going to join it. So here, see here, this is my point O. Let the point, this point is my point T. According to given, construct the angle bisector of QPR. We have done it such that it cuts QR. See, it cuts QR, and measure and write down the length of QT. Now what we have to do? We have to measure the length of QT. Let's measure it. QT is 5 centimeter. Yes, this is 5 centimeter. And such that T is the point where angle bisector QPR cuts. See, T is the point, this angle bisector cut QR. That is it. So here we have completed the construction of the triangle, as well as we have completed the given task with this case. Okay, now steps of construction is very necessary, so write whatever you do accordingly, step by step. See, here is your home task, exercise 12A. You have to do, dear students, question number 5, 6, 10, 11 and 16 in the same manner.